know what time it is. Got a one-way ticket and I'm smoking a pack. Pocket full of 20s and a bottle of Jack. Got a one-way ticket, ride a black Pontiac. Oh no, baby, I ain't coming back.
How's the new van, dude?
It's good. Came with a free CD. It's making me feel funky.
Oh snap! Whoa, mad. It's big.
This solar panel was bought on eBay and will be mounted on the roof of the van to capture the sun's rays. These will be stored in this battery, and this will power the extractor fan and also the rear view camera. Oh, look at that measuring device.
Thank you. This was a 67.
Computer-aided design.
Let's make it a bit more legit. I've got like a hole.
Yeah, make a hole for the sink.
Above this. Around this. Hold on. Don't want to make that. I want to cut this away. Oh, we just. Oh, that sink bowl. Fucking good.
We decided to include a bunk bed, a cooker and a sink, a shower unit, and also a sofa in our van.
Back to that.
Let's go and give it to you. Go give it to you. Light beige. That's good.
That's better.
Better than fine cream.
Fine wheat.
Light beige. Look at this light beige.
Oh, it's sharp.
A bit too sharp if you ask me.
Van Bros